Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Marissa Roots Undone, and thank you for clicking on today's video. So today's video is a Treasure Tress unboxing video, and I think I remember the last Treasure Tress unboxing that I did, it was basically a blind unboxing. Like, I showed you guys what was inside the box before I even showed myself, and I found that was really fun. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I just felt that was quite fun. So I'm going to do the same thing today, and I have no clue whatsoever is inside this Treasure Tress June box, so I guess we're gonna find out. So I have the box right here, the June box, and as always I do have a discount code that you guys can use, which is just Roots Undone in capital letters. I'll leave it in the description box below. Make sure you use that to get 10% off of your first Treasure Tress box, and join me for these unboxings, join the Treasure Tress community crew. But yeah, here is the June Treasure Tress box. So I don't know how this is going to work because I can't see like what's in view. I'm pretty sure that you lot can see. It's so difficult. Okay. So we have a card. I'm not going to look at the back of the card. Oh, it's a Harris Simba birthday. Oh, you can't even see what I'm saying. It's a Harris Simba birthday edition takeover box. That is cute. So I'm not looking at the back, but this is what the leaflet looks like. And we've also got, is that a discount coupon? Oh, for a Phyto, I think that's how you say it, Phyto Paris. I think that's skincare it looks like, I think. Or was it hair care? I don't know. But yeah, we've got a kind of like a 10% off. And here, I'm going to show you guys what we have inside the June box. Can you guys see? Is it in? Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm gonna look now. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so we have. I'll show you now. So we have the Shea Moisture Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Hair Mask. And my mum absolutely loves this mask, so I think it's this one anyway, so we'll see how that is. We also have, oh my gosh, my babes! I absolutely love this stuff. So the Cantu for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and I absolutely love this stuff so much. Like, it defines your curls without any hair gel. It makes my hair so moisturized. It leaves a little bit of a gel cast, so it has a bit of hold, but it's not like crunchy or anything like that. I just love it so much. But yeah, the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. And then we have some Phyto Specific products. So you know the 10% coupon kind of card that we have here? The rest of the box is full of Phyto Specific products. So, oh, I'm losing stuff. Where did I put the other one? Let's see what the back of this card reads. Hey Tween. Oh, hey Tween. So if you didn't know, by the way, I get the Tween box. So if you guys get any products that are slightly different to what I receive, it's because I have the Tween box. It says, it's my birthday. I'm all about pampering myself, pampering thyself. So I want all my Treasure Tress sisters to get pampered with me and some of my fave brands. It's your girl. The 27th of this 6th, 1989, your girl is going to be 29. I love the Treasure Tress box because of what it stands for, and I can't talk. It is simply the best way to get the latest products and the exclusives. That is true. Like, some of these Treasure Tress boxes, we've had unreleased products in them, so yeah. So let's talk about the journey of my mane. My first relaxer was applied at 8 years old, and again in my teens. My hair broke off, and I am talking with curls. And I'm talking no edges. Oh my gosh. So her hair broke off after relaxing her hair. At 17, I went to the hairdressers and chopped it all off. I wanted to embrace my curly hair, and seeing images of me as a little girl with curls, I really wanted them back. Plus, I was tired of burning the sides of my head with straightened hairs. Who remembers sitting like between their mum's legs and like having to hold your ear down like that, or she gets all like the pieces on the side. 12 years on, here I am with a head full of healthy hair. That's the most important thing for me, not length but healthy hair. For this wash day, I'm sharing my fave style. I call it letting the mane free. So let's see what Phyto Specific products we have. So here my hair is dry and dirty as I've had it braided up under a wig for about 2 weeks. So first I'm taking the Phyto Specific Baobab oil, which is a botanical oil blend. As I can suffer from a really bad flaky scalp if my hair isn't washed regularly, I'm going to take some of the oil on my fingers and massage my scalp to loosen up any dead skin. I'm now taking the Phyto Specific Deep Repairing Shampoo for damaged and brittle hair. As you can see, this shampoo lathers up really nicely, however it did leave my hair feeling a bit stripped. I didn't see any sulfates in the ingredient list, however it doesn't state that it is sulfate free. And now you can see my hair after rinsing out the shampoo. I'm now taking the Shea Moisture Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Hair Mask for fine and wavy / curly hair. Here you see my hair sectioned off so that I could detangle it all with the conditioner applied to my hair. I'm now going to sit under a hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. And here is my hair after rinsing out the deep conditioner. It didn't feel amazing, but it felt conditioned nevertheless. I also now have a clean and flake-free scalp. Now, taking a sample of the Keracare leave-in conditioner also received in this month's box, I'm going to use it to moisturise my hair. I'm also going to take the Phyto Specific Nourishing Styling Shea Butter Leave-In and use it as a sealant on the ends of my hair, as it is a hair grease. After moisturising my hair, I braided it up to wear it underneath a wig. Ignore my braids, I'm clearly not the best braider in town. Also received in this month's box were 2 Design Essentials samples.